Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to share how I copied a faceless YouTube channel that makes over $10,000 a month, and it actually worked. And I will share with you guys step by step how you can do the same without showing your face or using your voice. I will share the steps I took to replicate their success, including the tools I used, how I planned my videos, and the results I got. If you are looking for a proven way to start a faceless YouTube channel and make money, you are going to love this one. And let's get started. I already have faceless YouTube channels. I'm doing this business for over 5 years, and I'm making so much money every single month from those faceless YouTube channels. This is one of my faceless YouTube channels, and this channel in the last year 2024 made $143,317.50. Okay, this channel is making some good money every single day. You guys can see just in one single day $1,337 just in one single day. I will re-upload the page for people who are asking. Of course, let's re-upload the page so you guys can make sure it's a real number, it's not screenshot. Okay, I already shared a lot of videos in my YouTube channel that you guys can go and check after, of course, after you watch this video, so you can get more ideas about this business. Okay, and here you go, the numbers are still the same numbers. Anyway, so the faceless YouTube channel that I copied, it's uploading videos, guys, about sport and training and fitness, and this is the faceless channel that I copied. Okay, this channel, I'm sure this channel is making, from my experience, this channel is making over $10,000 per month. Okay, and if we scroll down, those videos doesn't require to show your face or use your voice. Those videos are simple and they are easy to make. Okay, I will show you how you can do the same, how you can make like those videos. You see, like this one, what happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day. This video got 6.5 million views. This is just this one video made so much money. This one can make over $10,000. Just this one single video. This video was uploaded 2 years ago, and this is the power of YouTube. This video is still getting views. It's still getting 64 views per hour. You guys can see here. Okay, when you upload videos that will that people keep watching for a month or even for years, you can make so much money. Even if you stopped working and if you stopped uploading videos, your channel will keep growing and will keep making you money every single month, even if you didn't upload any video for a month. Okay, that's the power of those niches on YouTube. Okay, anyway, so what you will do, let's first, I'm gonna choose like this video, the first one. This is the best video in this channel that got a lot of views, million of views, 6.5 million views. So I will copy the title of this video. Okay, and what I will do next, I will go to ChatGPT to create a YouTube script. Okay, it's super easy. If you don't have ChatGPT, you can go to Google and search for ChatGPT AI and sign up using your email address, and you can use just the free version. It's super easy and simple. This will be your home page. Just click here and I will ask ChatGPT create, okay, create an engaging YouTube script. Okay, script about, and they will put this title. Okay, you see, and they will click here, and here you go. You will get an engaging and professional YouTube script that you can use. What you need to do next is you need to turn this script into voiceover, and I will show you how you can do it using free AI tools. Okay, and here you go. You guys can see. Okay, this is your intro. Hey there, healthy engineers. Have you ever wondered what running for just 30 minutes every day can do for your body? Whether you are, and here you go. Okay, you see, you have a good and engaging script. So what we need to do next is you just need to turn this script into voiceover. Like I said, I will start from here. Okay, so I will copy this part like this. Okay, and I need to turn this script into voiceover. So what you will do, you will go to Google, okay, and search for PlayHT. Search for this website, okay, And here you go, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's free AI voiceover website, and they has a really an amazing voiceovers. They are almost like humans. Okay, this will be your homepage after you finish your sign up process. If you click here on change voice, you will find a lot of voiceovers here. They have different voiceovers from American voiceovers, they have Arabic voiceovers, they have South Africa voiceovers, Australian, Canadian voiceovers, and so much more. Let's check, for example, like this one.
So yeah, the overview effect refers to that moment when astronauts look down from space, see Earth as one time.
You guys can see they are really almost like human voiceover. They are in a really in high quality. Okay, so let's check this one.
Hey, thanks for clicking on my.
This one is good. For me, I'm gonna choose this one, guys. Nia, it's from America, English voiceover. I will choose this one, and I will scroll down and click here on confirm. And here you go. Click here on this icon over here to change the speed and make it just to 0.9. Okay, just like this. It's gonna be good. And put your script here, like this. Okay, put your script, and here you go. Let's go to ChatGPT. I will add more. So if you are looking to, okay, I will copy this part. I will add just this part, guys. I don't want to make this video too much long, so you can understand. Just I want to give you the idea how you can also do the same. I will copy and I will paste. Okay, I will put the script here. What you will do next, click here on generate speech, and you just need to wait few seconds for your script to be recorded. Then I will show you guys how you can download this voiceover to your laptop, and here you go, your script will be recorded. So what you will do next, you just need to click on export and click on as a single audio file. Okay, and your voiceover will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, what you will do next, and here you go. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to Google. Okay, and search for Canva, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and click over here on YouTube video. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here like this. What you will do next, you will click here on upload. Just click on upload, click on upload file, and upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me check. This is
First up, your heart is going to love you for.
This is my voiceover. I will click on open, and here you go. Your voiceover will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your voiceover, and your voiceover will be under this page over here. As you can see, click over here on add page. Okay, and add more pages that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, so keep clicking on add page like this. Okay, and here you go. What you will do next, go to the first page over here, and let me show you. Click on the first page and click here on elements. So click here on the search and search for running. Okay, search for running like this. And what you will do next, click on videos, because this video is about what will happen to your body if you run 30 minutes every single day. Okay, that's why I search for this keyword, search for running, click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here that you can use. So let's start, for example, with this one. I'm gonna click on this one here, and just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and scroll down and click on set video as background. Click here and swipe left to make your video, make it just up to 3 seconds. Okay, click on the next page and add different video. Okay, I will add different video. I will click and use the same method, 3 points, set video as background. Again, click here and make the video just up to 3 seconds. Okay, click on the next page and add different videos. I will add this one, so I will keep using this method. Scroll down, set video as background, Then I will show you guys how we can add transition between those videos to make this video more engaging and more professional, and how we can add free background music to your video, so you will get an amazing and professional video that you can start and you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel. Okay, so I will click on the next page and I will search for different videos. I will add this one here, this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and make the video just up to 3 seconds, and scroll down again. I will add this one here, 3 points, scroll down, set the video as background, and keep doing the same method. Okay, and here you go. So our video is done. So what we will do next, guys, go to the first page here and click between those between the first page and second page, and you should see add transition. If you click on add transition, you will see different transition that you guys can add. Okay, you see this one is good. I'm gonna, or we can go match and move. Okay, I will use this one. I will click on this transition like this, and what you will do next is make it just up to 0.3 second. Okay, scroll down and click on apply between all page, and here you go. The video is now is good. Okay, so what we need to do next, let me show you. If we click here, okay, I'm gonna add another video. We need to add background music, so let me show you. So to add the background music, it's super easy and simple. What you will do next, you can go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube, just open your YouTube channel and click here and search for no copyright music. Okay, search for no copyright music on YouTube, so you can get an amazing and good free background music that you can use on your faceless YouTube videos with no problems or copyright issue with YouTube. And here you go, you will find a lot of, this is a playlist of a lot of no copyright music. You guys can check those musics from those channels, and you can go to Google and you can search for how to download background, how to download those videos. You will find a lot of websites that you can use for free to download this music, and you can go back to Canva and go back to this page. Okay, and just click here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your background music. I already have a lot here, so let me choose one of those background music that I can add. Check this one. Okay, let me see, I have this one here. Okay, I will add this one. Okay, so I will, to add the background music, let me show you. Just click on your background music like this, and here you go. Your background music will be added to your video under your voiceover like this. Okay, what you will do next is you will click on this over here, click on volume, and decrease your background music volume just to 7 or 6. 7. Okay, I'm gonna leave it just on 7. Okay, and here you go, your video is done. So what you will do next, click here on share, click on download, and click again on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, I will show you guys the final results after this video will be downloading to my laptop, and then let me know, guys, your opinions in my in the comments. Okay, and here you go, your video, guys, is done. Let's check. And here you go, the video is done. Let's check. And after you watch this video, guys, I want you to leave a comment and let me know your opinion. Okay, so check this out.
First up, your heart is going to love you for it. Running is one of the best forms of aerobic exercise. When you run, your heart works harder to pump blood, strengthening your cardiovascular system. Over time, this can lower your resting heart rate, improve blood circulation, and reduce your risk of heart disease. How cool is that? If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, running 30 minutes a day can be a game changer. Depending on your speed and weight, you can burn 300 to 500 calories in just one session. Pair that with a balanced diet, and you'll see some amazing results.
And here you go. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments your opinion. It's super easy. Like, we just made a video just using Canva and AI tools. It's super easy, like this channel over here. Okay, let's go back. It's super easy to start faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so what's your excuse? Why you are not or starting faceless YouTube channel like this one? It's super easy. Those videos are getting a million of views. Like, you guys can see, we made a video like this one. It's super easy. You can watch this video. It's almost the same. If I just give it time, I can even make a better video than this one. This one got 6.5 million views. This video made so much money for the owner of this faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to use your voice. You can start YouTube. Of course you can start. If you don't want to use AI voiceover, you guys can use your own voiceover. Record your own script using your voice. If you don't want, you can go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for voiceover, and you can pay the voiceover. There's $5, $10, and they will record your script, and you can use a real human voiceover. And you can start your faceless YouTube channel and start say and upload daily. They are super easy to make. Like, those videos, they are super easy. Anyone can start. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I do also provide coaching services about faceless YouTube channel and how we can start a profitable faceless YouTube channel, how we can choose a profitable niche, how we can hire a team, how we can start with low budget, and so much more. Okay, if you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos.